You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.